want to do you know. New link on the attack now. Bring a old trend setter. New link. Attack.
So let's something people, man. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know what the thing go. Well, boy, people, sometimes some things can happen in this world, you know, where we have to wonder, we have to think. So right now, New Link, they out of the box now. But they in Jamaica, I'm in the Caribbean now. You understand? I got cover a story when I see published over in Kenya, people. And it is where a young man, when I tell us a young man, a man in his 20s, people, you know what I mean, got 3 sisters pregnant. 3 of them, and 3 of them have baby right now, people. 3 sister, the man got, you know, I don't know how him do it, people. Well, according to this man, he said between, oh my God, these roosters, he said between January and March last year, people, you understand, he got these 3 sisters pregnant. And right now, 2 of the sisters gave him 2 daughters, while 1 gave him a son. You understand, people? And in the end, what he's saying now, people, they are happy, and the parent of these girls are happy. It's not like, say, him get the 3 of them pregnant and it gonna be a war or something. The parents gonna be argued with him and fight and everything. He said everybody happy, he's taking care of his child and everything. But all I can say, boy, Jah do a star. But I don't know, say, you know, everybody culture do different, you know what I mean? But they say he make history in Kenya because he's like the first man to got 3 sisters. You know what I mean? One time, other man maybe have 2, but him got 3. You know what I mean, people? And boy, I just don't know how he do it. And yo, but as what me I go say before, people, every nationality is different. It's not like some nationality we, you know, say maybe in our culture now, like say in a Jamaica now, we gonna look at this or that real bad way, you know what I mean? That's why, you know, and next thing we can't really judge, because me tell us everybody nationality different. But for me, it's disgusting. I tell you honest truth, people. Me don't know. Me find it disgusting, but as me tell you, everybody nationality is different. But I just hope, boy, this rooster problem in the early morning, you know. I just hope he can, you know what I mean, maintain and take care of child them. And I hope they can be happy like when you say, and I hope he can marry the 3 of them. But everybody think different still. You know what I mean? So maybe he can do it. Yeah, maybe he can do it. Everybody think do kind of different in some cases. So I think he will fit in. I think he will manage. I think he will sustain. I think he will. I think he shall. You understand? So in the end, people, all I can say is, man, you have to just try to be great, try to be good, you know what I mean? And I'll be tell a culture just different. Me tell me not, boy, we just look at the other, oh yeah, we be say, boy, I ain't good still, you know. And the sister them good, you know, but and at the end, people, it's not like he was hiding and doing it where him do with that one, yeah, and hide and do it with that one, and that the one there. It's like the 3 of them know same do with the 3 of them. So boy, all I think we can say, just season he knows. This world, yeah, turn up. Peace out. Attack them. Don't forgot to please subscribe. And when you do subscribe, hit that notification bell icon, so as New Link drop a video, you will get them. And remember to check back the notification and click all notifications, so the video them will get them. Yeah, these roosters are crazy. This is the morning, early in the morning, and you know they are the one who wake me up and say, New Link, it's time to do the vlog, New Link. It's time to do the video. There's a New Link, you know, it's 2 days now, you're not uploading a video, New Link. What really are going to New Link? New Link, don't let the people them get to do New Link. New Link, be strong. Yes, me here, you know. Yes, them say New Link be strong. So for the roaster them people, then wake me up and see that me I do it. So that's why them a sound up the alarm and I say New Link, rocket New Link, rocket New Link. See, you don't know the thing, man. Wow. Peace out. Time for computer. We start the summer, you know.